Angel. My name is Angel Eliza Ignacio Andres. I live at Quezon. What's your favorite food? Hot? What's your favorite fruit? Nana. Yay! Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye ka na kay Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Daddy. Di mo, Daddy?
Mama.
No more? Saan, Daddy? Work. Okay. Bye-bye ka na, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. Kiss mo si Daddy.
Mama. Daddy.
Mm.
Daddy.
Bye-bye ka na.